Now, have you ever wondered what happens to a church when it doesn't provide services anymore? Now, I know you've seen ghost stories, or you've seen ghost channels, or ghost groups investigating churches that have been condemned or have no longer been in service. Well, this is the Holy Rosary Church here in Tacoma, built in 1891, and believe in 2018 rather, it was deemed unusable for Mass due to heavy water damage, and I think sheetrock and all fell down on the upper pew and the choir. So you know, I've lived in this area for about 5 years, and I've always wondered, you know, what's going on in there. And I remember the story when they first fenced this off, and there was talk about destroying it or bringing it down. The community got together and rallied, and I think they tried to raise the money to try and either help the rendition or to just keep it here. The Archbishop declared it unusable, obviously, and I believe the word is razed, to be destroyed completely. But why am I here today? To see if we can get anything on the outside. I want to conduct a black box session. I'll probably be using my EMF detector as well to see if we see anything, all right? So come on, let's get started. So here I brought my EMF detector, so we're gonna see. We're just gonna, you know, come out here to the front and see if we see anything going on. Not sure that we'll get anything, but and apparently there's a couple here taking pictures, and I don't know, they're bothered that I'm here. But anyways, so let's just run a quick sweep. You know, I just want to see if there's anything out here for the moment. You know, I'm not gonna do anything too invasive or nothing that takes too long, but turn on that EMF detector. As you can see, it's on, and we're just going to kind of sweep around the fence to see if we see anything around here. No, we're not getting anything. No, not at all. Yeah, there's nothing happening here. You know, if I could, I would try and get around the building, but as you can see, it's fenced off all the way around to the back, so there's no use in doing that. So the good thing too is that I brought my Spiritbox. You see, I want to see if we pick up anything, so let's try and give that a try. Got it here in my pocket. I just put new batteries in here. Pull that antenna out. Alright, so here we go. We're going to sweep right. Hello, my name is Santino. Is there anybody here? Wanted to talk to anybody that might be here? We know that there are probably numerous, obviously, masses or funerals. Hello? Maybe if you guys pick up on anything, you can comment down below. My name is Santino. What's your name? Did you come to this church a lot? Were you a choir boy? What's your name? Is there anybody here? What year were you here? There are a lot of words being thrown out. Not sure what we're picking up. Just keep listening. Do you hang around the area? Are you part of the structure? Well, over here we have the school, and a little more over here we have the office that I guess used to run the church. So let's come on over by the school, and maybe we'll get a student that says something. Who knows? We're here in front of, looks like it's the rectory, the office that used to run the place. We'll come back over here. See, it's throwing out a lot of different things. I'm gonna have to listen to the tape again, see if I can pick anything up. Alright, so here we are in front of the school. Is there anybody here? And that, well, were you a student here? Did you graduate from here? What's your name? Are you still in class? Are you stuck? Are you late for class? Well, got quite a few things coming through. I'm gonna have to take this back home and listen to it, and I'll get back to you with updates. Okay? So stick around. GoPro, stop recording.